Yeah.
Do not lay on the bed. Whoops.
Doesn't say you can't crawl on it, right?
That's true. Welcome to my Victoria's Secret shoot.
Nice.
This is, Bye, Beacon Hills.
Every great show ends with the main character walking off into the sunset, looking cool, and saying a really dope line. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Yeah, but I will never forget it. How much you feel about it, how wrong you cried about it. Yeah, but see, the thing is, you're supposed to get it right the first time. That's what it is.
Okay, well, so then, what's my favorite color then?
Favorite color is purple.
Guys, check it out. Coming soon. Jeep Confessional. I have a lot to say. A sensitive man. Please let me.
Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. So long.